In my interviews with the concerned government officials, I was confronted with the evidence and the findings, and I have voluntarily admitted that much of it is true and accurate. I should not discuss those matters anymore. The court declared me as a free citizen and nothing to do with anything. I have not been accused of any crime or anything.